I've been getting a lot of questions about what's that little red wire stripper that you're using. Well, the company is called IWISS and they sell it on iCrimptools.com, and it's the ICP-240. And I've already replaced two of my heavy gauge wire strippers for this one small tool. It comes with a very sharp blade already preloaded and one more replacement blade at the top. Now it says that it can strip anywhere from 12 gauge to 4/0 wire, but this is a 10 gauge wire that I'm stripping, does it perfectly. And then we're going to move on to some 4 gauge, perfect again. And then this is some T-Spec V12 oversized 0 gauge. You gotta use a couple more turns because the wire is a little bit bigger and it still strips it perfectly as well. Now this little blade on the end is perfect if you ever need to do a tap in on a heavy gauge power wire. And then for those who ever done a remote start on the heavy gauge ignition wires where they're about 12 gauge and there's too thick for the automatic wire strippers, then you know what I'm talking about. Also, if you ever wanted to strip your wire from the jacket because you wanted to recycle some wire, this is also the perfect tool to do it. Makes it a whole lot easier and quick without having to use a razor blade.